Hello, and welcome back to 50 Plus Unstoppable You. Today we're talking about prompts. These are the words that you use to ask ChatGPT or another AI program for help. Here are 3 simple tips to help your prompts net better results. Let's start with a simple example. That's pretty vague, right? Let's see what we get. Now watch what happens when I'm more specific. See the difference? The first one was general, the second one was written for you. Specific words can improve the results. Here's another simple example. Let's say you're planning a short trip. Now I'll ask it to organize that into a list with short descriptions. Adding phrases like in bullet points or in paragraph form guides ChatGPT to format and style the response exactly the way you like it. In this final example, I make an initial request. Then I ask ChatGPT to improve what it already gave me. The refined result sounds a bit more like the way I might prefer to write. Overall, asking ChatGPT to rewrite or rephrase can enhance the outcome of an initial prompt. Today's takeaway to get better results with your ChatGPT prompts include: be specific, ask for a format, ask for a rewrite if necessary. In the next video, I'll show you some real everyday uses for ChatGPT. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in to this channel.